I'm alright. I need to ride my bike and see what's down there.
Good morning. The weather is so good. It's like 60 degrees right
70.
now. 70?
70.
It's really, no, the sun is beaming. It's nice in the skin. But when it's wind,
In the shade. Like so chilly in the shade.
so we are deciding to do something about
Yeah,
our
so
backyard now, or yard, front yard or back,
we can work in the back today.
and set lights outside too. So let's go get some stuff. Nice weather. Guys, the sun is beaming. It's so nice. Come here. Sit, Gary. He has been running around. So look at what Mikey got. He got a new lawnmower. It's an electric one.
Battery.
Ah?
Battery.
Ah, with the battery. So he's charging.
Battery, gas.
He's charging it now. This is more convenient,
It's quiet.
and it's quiet too.
You can't let him go out your sight. See a snake off in the road. He's quick.
This is your weather, huh? So whenever we asked him to come inside the house, he don't want to. But if it's snowing, oh my goodness, he can't wait to go inside. It is time. Let him run around. This one, I need to cut this like a square size. That one too needs trimming, but we don't have those. Huh?
Somebody crashed us.
Somebody crashed us. Oh
In the parking lot.
man.
Somewhere.
At the front. That should be yesterday.
No, hold up. Yesterday, where'd I go yesterday?
IRS.
No, I didn't park. I parked towards the grass.
Oh shit,
So this
man.
happened like last week.
Huh?
Or Walmart last week, or whenever last I drove it.
Not
No.
you?
No, you see any damage here? It had to been. It was at Walmart. That high? All my cars like this. Look how high that is. This you can't reach that.
Oh no. This is why good, babe. You need good that camera ba here. Cause you know we can. Cause if you know, you can report. No, look at oh. Oh no.
Two bolts, and I can change that out. New ones in there. Garbage go out tonight, so I need to bring all the garbage out tonight.
It's nice. Clean.
Where's his cart phone?
Inside.
Hey!
Grabe jud yung dagan-dagan mo. Hangak ko, babe. Ah, hangak. I told him that's $300 charge for this yard, sir. You got a very wide yard, sir.
We ain't even get to the back yet.
Not even in the backyard. There's so much workman in your backyard, sir.
We'll try to get a full charge tonight. I'm gonna knock this out tomorrow.
Yeah. Look at the backyard, sir. Oh, I'm gonna add that to 300, sir. Okay, this is not easy job.
I think we'll be able to finish this piece here and this part here,
Yes.
and then we'll have to recharge.
Grabe mo kakapoy di ay. It's not easy man to do the ano.
And then we'll finish this. But look how it looks though. See
Yeah.
how it mulches it? Looks really good.
I did that, guys.
She did that. No lie, that was her. Yard looks good. See, don't look like
So
yours now?
when that tree blooms, it goes like that.
Like what?
The tree, that there.
When it blooms like what?
The tree, well,
This one?
that no, yeah,
That one?
yeah,
No, it's gonna be green, like faux.
not that.
No, it's a
this.
different kind of tree.
Oh.
It's an evergreen. But that one, that's gonna be big leaves, lots of shade.
Look at guys, oh, and then the front yard. I haven't finished it, kay. Yeah,
That green box,
Yeah.
that's the end.
that's why the big lawnmower is very perfect to this,
Except for the hills.
except for the hills. Yeah, yeah.
Like all this right here,
Hmm.
we need that one
Hmm.
to do this. Like if I were riding,
It looks
I
so
would
pretty.
probably stop. I would ride right here.
Huh?
This, I would ride this
Yeah.
and this,
Hmm.
that, but I wouldn't go down there.
No, you will be tumbling there.
You could find a
And
lot of
then
stuff.
I'm gonna tell you, bye bye self. That's what you say. If my foot goes under the lawnmower,
Bye bye foot. That's the best way I can teach you.
bye
Hands
bye
and feet.
foot. Oh.
Hands and feet, don't go there. It ain't gonna tickle you.
Bye bye foot.
It ain't gonna tickle you and give you another chance. Don't do that. Cut that shit right off.
Grabe naman yung
Oh, I
foot.
can't wait till we get this tomorrow.
Yeah, you can do that. The weather is good tomorrow. Yeah, we need to trim this, trim that, take that off. That, ano. We have a lot of stuff to
Can't
do.
figure out how to make this one work. But this one,
Oh, yeah, I was wondering. I was like, I know there's one there.
whoa. Can I help you?
The backyard, man. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
All this-
Huh?
show them this.
So, mo ni among neighbor, guys. Oh, na mga balay. Grabe ka mga nindot. Diba?
This one here. This probably be our weekend job here.
Huh?
This probably be our weekend.
Yeah. All of that. Ay, hindi naman ko kakapoy. Baka ani. Anya, there are branches pa na we need to cut. But we're gonna need somebody to do with that.
We gotta clean all this up.
Climb.
Fallen sticks.
I know.
Rake all that. The rake all this out.
Yeah. Shush. What's that? Oh my god.
This morning.
Mess up my shoes.
Shit.
Okay, it's okay. The garage is open. And he knows that we'll just sneak out the house. We don't know. Huh? The garage is open. Clean that baby. Clean that baby. Congratulations. You surpassed your first day of work. Okay, just a sneak peek. This is a it's the update of our garage.
No.
We'll see in a few weeks from now.
Oh my god. No.
If you're gonna clear that out. Trash. And this is the front yard. I did that too. Oh, it's clean now. He will gonna leave this grassy eye. Okay, he will gonna let that grow. It will go back to green when there's spring. Oh, I like this one. I can use that. Ah,
I'm gonna get the shovel and break it up and spread it out so it can, because here it goes down.
yeah.
It needs to
Yeah.
level it. Then we
Yeah.
can get some.
Flatten it.
I guess I could take that pot to the back too. When you bring the pot.
No, keep it there. I have something to do with it. I can put it over here. Put something.
Needs to be raked up.
Huh?
Rake these.
Yeah.
Rake these up. I'm
Yeah.
gonna burn these little things here. In that chiminea. I just burn it.
This needs a big mower here, babe. This area.
This one can do it. One full charge. Can do it. But you go so slow. I'm gonna have to do it because I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
You go like this. You know this thing is spinning like.
Yeah.
You can go like this.
How I do?
Why is she lifting it up? Don't she know if it's down? That more is
Wait, that's hard ba yeah? If there's a lot of ano.
hard, but yeah, it's not just hard.
Home, you're going home. What is it?
Put the big boy in the shop.
All of this. We got a two big lawnmower here, but I don't know why it's not working.
It's on break.
Huh?
It's on break. I'm getting rid of this one. This one I'm gonna keep.
You just need a belt to that, right?
Yeah, I'm just need a belt.
Yeah.
Maybe a new battery. But
And a battery. Sambot lang gid mo, Mikey. What
they
comes
gave
up
me
to your
that, so
mind?
that was a giveaway. But it works. I just don't deal with it.
This is the baby. This is the mama and the daddy.
This kind of stuff.
Crazy looking now. You got malagi ano oh, blower.
Yeah. I need to get that one. I got two blowers. The other one is
Ay, this one, babe.
what?
This is it.
That's what you need?
Yeah.
That's for the pool.
Huh?
That's the pool noodles for swimming. What the fuck? Which one you? The blue one?
Any color, yellow. You
You
can.
know, you use this in the pool and it keeps you afloat like that. Keeps you afloat. You never use pool noodles?
No.
This shit will keep you afloat. in
Oh,
the pool.
really?
Yeah. This shit will keep you afloat. I used to use this in the big pool at the base.
This will keep you afloat?
Yes.
Oh.
That's one. That's a pool mat. You know, the blue one that
Yeah.
you lay down
Yeah.
and you lay on the water.
Yeah.
And then people come up to you and that's what that is.
There's actually bigger than that. It's like a mat size.
Yeah, that's just the
Yeah.
long one.
And
That's the
babe,
stairs.
there's also
That's the pool stairs.
you know the thing that the circle one that you just
Right
gonna
there.
no, you're just gonna you pull it into the deep sea or in the pool, and then in the middle of that you can also jump on it.
Oh, the big one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the beach ball.
So you can bring the kid or a dog, you know.
Let's go back because I don't know if he's sneaking out.
Yeah, so much chica guys. So this is what I need.
Looking for a shovel.
Dali na, babe.
Oh.
Look at his TV here. From your window. Look at your TV. I can see it here.
Should I put a new light through too? Took that floodlight off. Oh, yeah. Covering up the light.
Excuse me.
That one's good. They don't come on until it gets dark.
This one is.
Oh, it needs to come back up. Don't hit your head on the tree. Turn around.
Yeah, we need a thing. Cut that, and then make
Yeah, I'm gonna get a
Spaces.
thing and
spaces, space,
get it out of here.
cut. No, square, small square. Ay, Jesus, Mikey, believe me. Small square. You can, it will not cover. I told you, you just have to trim. Make me do it. Buy me that thing. Alright guys, that's it for today.
Okay.
I think we did we are productive today. Are you gonna throw this too?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, wow. That's garbage then. I don't think so. That goes to the garbage. I like that one. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye.